Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our essential guide on maintaining your tech devices. Today, we'll cover the necessary tools, the step-by-step process, and how to clean your devices internally for optimal performance. First, let's discuss the tools you'll need. For most tech repairs, you'll require a precision screwdriver set, which includes Phillips and flathead options. Make sure to have a small flashlight handy to illuminate tight spaces. Additionally, a can of compressed air is crucial for blowing out dust and debris from inside your devices. If you don't have these tools available, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Next, let's dive into the process. Start by turning off your device and unplugging it from any power source. It's essential for your safety. Use your precision screwdriver to remove the screws on the back cover. Keep track of these screws, a small magnetic tray can be a lifesaver here. Once the back cover is off, you'll need to inspect the internal components. Look for any dust buildup on circuit boards or fans. This is where that can of compressed air comes in handy. Spray short bursts to dislodge any dirt, being careful not to touch any components directly. If you find that your device is still having issues after cleaning, don't worry, we provide pickup and delivery at your home, so you won't have to deal with calls or travel. Let's move on to cleaning internal parts. If your tech device has a removable battery, take it out before proceeding. With a microfiber cloth, gently wipe down the battery contacts and the surrounding area. For connections that are slightly more stubborn, a cotton swab lightly dipped in isopropyl alcohol can help. Make sure everything is completely dry before reassembling. After cleaning, it's time to put everything back together. Align the back cover properly and carefully screw it back in place. Ensure that all screws are tightened adequately, but be cautious not to over-tighten as this can damage the casing. If you're unsure about your repair, we always provide a quote before repair, so you know exactly what to expect. Finally, once your device is reassembled, power it on and check to see if it's functioning correctly. Pay attention to any unusual sounds or overheating. Regular maintenance can significantly increase the lifespan of your tech devices, saving you time and money in the long run. If you're not comfortable performing these tasks yourself, consider reaching out to us for help. Our professional diagnosis service ensures you get the support you need without any obligation. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.